I guess now's the time to say we're not going to do that anymore. Okay, we are going over to the pan bin, which is still considered the pan bin, which I still haven't named it yet. We're going to grab this coffee mug out here. It is a Tinkerbell Pixie Magic coffee mug. Really cool. We ended up getting this from, I think, Marshall's or Ross in the clearance aisle. Really nice mug, actually. Disney stuff does well for us. We ended up getting $12.99 for this mug. We probably only have about $2 into it, so if you guys haven't watched already, we do have a video on how we ship our coffee mugs. I'll put a link up above. Go check it out. Okay, next we are hitting up the Regina carpet cleaner. The carpet shampoo, the vintage stuff. We picked this up at a church yard sale. The whole box, plus a bunch of other stuff for $10. I know that we've had about 10 of these, I think, to begin with. We were officially down to 4 of them, but we got a grand total of $7.24 plus shipping for this one. You'll go in a priority mail flat rate envelope with a little bit of bubble wrap inside of a Ziploc bag, just in case this thing happens to leak. But so far, so good. But keep your eyes out for the Regina Steamer Professional Carpet Shampoo, because it does sell. Okay, so the next thing going out is 36 Furbies. These are from the 90s, from McDonald's Happy Meals. Right here, we got a bunch of different ones. Somebody paid $18 plus shipping on these. We had some from McDonald's, and we had about 4 from Burger King. We have about $8 to $10 into all of them, so we didn't make too much on them, but they're going to Delaware, so it shouldn't be too bad to ship these from Pittsburgh. So pretty happy that these are finally making its way out, because the box was taking up some space here. Okay, next is a Nintendo DS game. It should be right here. Let's see if this is it. You got Nintendo DS Transformers with the manual. $3.84? $3.89 on this one. We sent out an offer. Get rid of it. We have $1 into, so not too much profit, but it's getting out. So the next 2 items are going out to a viewer. They are going out to Kathy's World. And the first one is this. It's a Lake Erie Wine Country cutting board made with Pennsylvania hardwood. Pretty cool. Picked these up for about $1, I think it was. $6.99 plus shipping. But she also bought something else too. How to Train Your Porcupine. I think it's How to Train Your Porcupine to How to Potty Train Your Porcupine. Picked these up at Ollie's. Yeah, they didn't sell as well as we thought they were going to. $3.24 plus shipping. I'm going to be able to ship these 2 together and then refund her some of her money from the shipping. Thanks, Kathy. Appreciate all the support. Next thing is in the PPG Paints Arena bin. It's actually right here in front. Right there. It is this new Razor Flawless thing. I picked this up at the Walmart clearance. We ended up getting $5.99 plus shipping. I think we have $1 into this one too. Last but not least, we are going to the Ocean City bin, which is actually already out. Which is actually kind of weird because, oh, I see it back here already. There it is. It is a vintage rolling roller. It's for drafting. Engineers use it, architects, stuff like that. We picked this up for about maybe a quarter or 50 cents at the yard sale. $4.99 plus shipping on that. Always keep your eye out for vintage drafting stuff like this, because these things do sell, especially if you got the box, but used by engineers, students, artists, secretaries, craftsmen, and hobbyists. It's actually kind of nice. I probably should have kept it for myself. If you didn't notice, I'm actually working on some drawings now for work. I'm on my lunch just packaging some stuff up. So a little bit different perspective for this What's Sold video, but the next thing going out is this Josh Lowe. It's from 2022 Topps Baseball. It's the 1987 card design right there, signed in blue. We just pulled this on Wednesday, I think, or Thursday. But there it is, says congratulations. We ended up getting $18.99 plus shipping. This is something we want to try to start doing for sourcing. It's kind of a gamble. I mean, you buy the box of cards and you hope you pull something good. But so far we've done really well. We have a card up for auction right now, which will be ended by the time this video is up. But it was a Ken Griffey Jr. short print. So if you can hit stuff like that, you can hit some autos, even some of the game used memorabilia is worth it. But yeah, $18.99 plus shipping. So it takes, you just hope when you buy those boxes you pull something good. And we did pretty well with our box, so can't complain. Okay, so the next thing going out is a Pam Tillis shirt, which actually right here. So the Pam Tillis extra large, I think it is. Let me double check. Yes, extra large shirt. This is from the bulk buy we bought from Rally Roots. Finally sold one, $20 plus shipping. Really cool looking shirt, vintage. I think it's from the 90s, if I remember correctly. But yeah, really nice looking shirt. So the next thing we have going out is an Ozzie Albies 2015 Bowman Prospects rookie card. This has been graded by PSA, a mint 9. I'm not huge into graded cards. I think to me it's just somebody's opinion, but they do sell. So we got this actually in a giveaway from Yinzer Picker. I'm just not a huge Braves fan, but I figured I'd get rid of it. So there we go, $25 plus shipping we took an offer on. So this is going to be heading out to a new home, and hopefully his buyer enjoys it. Okay, let's go to Costco, maybe. Oh, it's up here. It's actually up there. I see it in there. I see it right there. Yeah, let me grab it. Okay, I got it. It's a lifelike train, Chicago, Illinois. What's the other one? Midland. $3.99 plus shipping. So we have one train left. We bought a bunch off a guy that was moving, and we're getting through them. Some of them sold better than others, but we still have one more left. Now we're going to the Bridgetown bin, which is down here. We're going to go grab a Steeler hat out of here. It's always closed, but this should be, there it is. Steelers hat. It's fitted 7 5/8. Brand new with the tags. Picked this up at a yard sale. $8 plus shipping on this one. That one's going to be heading out. And next we have two cards going out. We got this Dave Parker. It's the gold version, Topps Baseball Stars, numbered 4 out of 50. This was out of the update series. I picked this up from Yinzer Picker in one of his Whatnot auctions. I think we paid like $8 for this one and another one. We ended up getting $16.99 plus shipping from that one. Then we also sold this one. It's a Jackie Robinson. This is from the update series also. You can tell by the update, the U number, or letter, not number. But this is a short print variation. I think it was, I guess it's just a different picture on this one. We ended up pulling this. We had the Dodgers in a team break that he did on Whatnot, and so we ended up getting this out of our team break. I am not a huge Dodger fan, but this was a cool card. $35.75 for that short print. Okay, let's go to Punta Cana and get the Cabbage Patch doll. Keep it up here. I think it's this one. Let's check the name on it. Knox Goat. That's what this Cabbage Patch doll's name is. Knox Goat. $7.01. We ended up getting this on sale at Dollar General. It was buy one get one free, so we picked up two. It's our second one, I think, going out. We might have sold the first one, so this might be our last one. Last but not least, we're going to the PPG Paints Arena. We're getting some Axe car air fresheners. It's a lot of 4. Picked these up at Walmart clearance for like $1 each. 4 of them sold for $18 plus shipping. They smell like Apollo. Happy to see those go out. Well, after that item, I think now is when I should explain myself. We're done. We are done. We're done with Walmart clearance for the most part. When we started figuring out that you can do the Walmart clearance and stuff, we were picking up a lot of stuff because you'd scan it, you'd see the stuff selling. But it's gotten to the point where you scan an item, it might be selling, but you also have to think a lot of the other Walmarts are probably putting it on clearance the same time as this one is. And then that item gets flooded. Now, there are certain items you're going to get lucky in. With that being said, we have got lucky. We got lucky with these Axe air fresheners. We got lucky with a Star Wars figure also that was only online purchase that was returned to our store. So with that being said, you wouldn't have gotten that in the store to begin with. I think now we're going to be very, very cautious on what we pick up in Walmart. Just because it looks like it's a great deal, we're just not going to pick it up. We're not going to take the risk of having it sit around unless it's close to Christmas and maybe something's going to move. But daily now, I'm not doing it. We're getting too much stuff and barely making anything on it, and it's just not what I want to do. So I'm still going to check the Walmart clearance when I do go, but I'm going to be very cautious on what we pick up from now on. Next up, we have 4 Pittsburgh Penguin pucks going out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. All 4 pucks for $15.96 plus shipping. These are going locally. These will actually get shipped out in one of these. Super easy to do, just put it in there. Plus it is going local. So okay, so the last thing going out in this video is this 2021 Topps Chrome Black Corey Seager Purple Refractor, number 2 out of 150. It's numbered right back here. Oh, almost dropped. So it's numbered right here, 2 out of 150. But we ended up getting $6.99 for this. We pulled this in a box break from Yinzer Picker again, so not a huge Dodger fan. Figure this will hopefully go to a good home and somebody will put this in their collection and enjoy it more than I would. But that's the end of this What's Sold video. Kind of uneventful, but the next What's Sold video is going to be a bummer. Let's put it that way. Yeah, stay tuned for the next What's Sold video because things happen and it's, as a reseller, you don't want to happen, but it does, and I think it's going to happen to all of us eventually. So stay tuned for that. Remember, hit that subscribe button down below. Also hit that bell notification so you're notified, hey, when that next What's Sold video goes up. We do appreciate you guys watching. Hit that thumbs up and tune in for the next video. Until next time, guys, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.